Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm on Amazon, and I'm at a listing for SoundOff by Evans full box set standard. Now this is for an acoustic kit, right? This is what you call a mute system, um, where the drum heads and the cymbals are muted by these. See these things here, these black things, on the heads of the drum kit. See, there's one here on this uh, on the cymbal here. There's one there on the cymbal here. There's one there on another one on the cymbal. There's one here on the floor tom. One here on this big tom, the small tom, and the snare drum here. And there's one also here on the floor, the bass drum as well. So these things here, this mutes set is designed to mute the kit. So when you're in a confined space where you've got neighbours right next to you, right, there's one thing you don't want to do, right, because they will complain and they will bitch, they will, because they'll hate you playing your drum kit. They won't like it, you see, because it'll be noisy as anything, go straight through the walls. But hey, with this that solves that problem, and it will be severely muted, and so they won't hear it. See, they just won't hear it. If they do hear anything, it will be a light tick tick sound. It would just be a tapping sound, and that's all. But they won't be banging on the walls and getting all upset and unruly about you playing your drum kit. That's for sure. So this is a good idea for those who want to practice on an acoustic kit in a confined area or a place where they've got neighbours nearby. I don't have to worry about this. I can practice my acoustic kit because I live in the country. My neighbours are not far enough away. They're really far away, so it doesn't matter for me. But anyway, that's me, right? But this is ideal for those people are living in the city, in apartments or anything like that, or units or flats or whatever, where it's close proximity. And where you've got also housing, which is now close proximity as well. So this is ideal for that. So if you've got an acoustic kit, you can get one of these. $244 92, and you're going to save yourself some frustration, right, and some anguish from your neighbours, see, by just doing this, and you can play as much as you want, it's not gonna, I recommend this. Now I'm also a drummer, so I know what I'm talking about here. I've been playing for over 50 years, so this is ideal, absolutely ideal for an acoustic kit. Okay, so that's why I'm recommending this to those people who are who've got this problem and who want to pay their acoustic kit and don't know what to do about that. So here's the problem solver for you guys. Okay, here it is, right here. Okay, and here it is here. That's the problem solver. So you I'll click on it. So oops. Oh, okay, we'll go there like that. So there it is there. That's the full system. And then you got here, see, mute pack. See, like I said, it's a mute system, so it just mutes the drum. See, so there's one for the two cymbals, the one for the hi hat, one for the ride cymbal, floor tom, main tom, small tom, and snare drum, and also your bass drum. So you can play quietly, and not upset your neighbours. Okay, so there it is. Here it is again. Hi hat mute, cymbal mute, ride mute, bass mute, drum mute, drum mute pack. So this is for other toms, I guess. Yeah, that's what different size toms, 13, 14. 12s, 12, 13, 14 inch toms. So yeah, so that's what that's for. So so very good idea, this one. I endorse this one. I think it's really good, and really good idea, absolutely. So this is great for those people who who want to play an acoustic kit, but living in close proximity for their neighbours and don't want to upset them. So okay, so I say, well, get your your SoundOff by Evans full box set today. You know, I mean, it's, if you've got a acoustic kit and you've got this problem, I suggest that you invest in this. It'll be the best thing, wisest thing you've ever done. You know, and you can carry on playing. You can play as much as you want, and you're not going to upset the neighbours. That's them, which is a good thing. All right. So with that, I'll say, well, thank you for watching this video, and you know, take my advice. Get a pack for your acoustic kit. You know, I know this about this because I've been playing a long time. So this is a good thing for your kit. So okay, so if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.